Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to set alarm on Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open clock application. You can see over here clock application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the alarm interface. You'll be able to find all the alarms that you've created over here. So if you want to set the alarm, what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to set the alarm for yourself. All you have to do is set the desired hour and minute for the alarm. First of all, select the hour. Likewise, select the minute. Now what you have to do is tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the alarm has been set. You can also choose the repeat options if you want. Over here you'll be able to find the initials of the days of week. Simply tap on the days you want to repeat the alarm. Now you can also customize the alarm if you want. You can choose the alarm sound. For that, simply tap on the alarm sound that's selected right now. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the alarm sound. Simply tap on the alarm sound of your choice. Now go back. Likewise, you can also select if you want the alarm to vibrate or not. Additionally, you'll also be able to find other options for customization according to the device you're using. You'll also be able to find the option for adjusting the snooze time and adding the label for the alarm. So like this, you'll be able to set alarm on Android phone. So that is how you set alarm on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.